Okay.
Hold on. Let me zip my pockets. All right. Okay. Wait. Let me put my peg down for you. Hold on. All right. Okay. The neighbors are gonna be like, the fucking kids again.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oops.
We ain't even got nowhere, and you bonked me already.
My bad. Hey, you bonk me all the time. You ready?
Oh, God. Am I? Hold on.
This is so weird.
It's so heavy.
My bad. My fat ass.
Do not fucking jerk me, my boy. We will simply be deceased. No, fucking it! What? Oh, my God. Oh, the lean. Okay, hold on. Let me lean. Oh my God.
Whee!
Okay, don't lean. Oh God. Oh fuck, a truck. Wow, this thing actually, I need to gain like 200 pounds. This thing, like, fucking is a dream.
And that's why people...
bonking me!
And that's why you hold the tank.
You have to get the arch.
Well, not when you're upright. You can't get an arch when you're upright.
Well, your hands aren't on the tank. You're not doing it properly.
Well, I got one on the tank.
You do not.
I have one. I have one right
here. That's on my boob!
Wait, what? That's not your
God
boob.
damn it!
That's your side.
Oh, it is on the tank.
I was like, what are you talking about?
Okay, this isn't as bad as I thought it was going to
be. Wave to the camera.
I fucking feel we're getting on the freeway and all of a sudden you just fucking take off and I'm like, whoa, this is fun.
Yeah.
This is the time of my life. Oh my God.
Yeah. You trying to kill me?
Yes. I'm just trying to get you to hold on, shit.
I am holding on.
Why are you? You have to get the arch.
Okay.
Put your other other hand on the tank.
Okay, I do the arch.
There you go!
Yeah, I do the arch now. Just let me just stick my booty out real quick. Just
Wow, the brakes do not work with two. We were supposed to stop back there.
Well, we survived.